I went to Best Buy. Yes. And I bought something they didn't even put out on the shelf yet. You want to know what it is? Stay tuned. On September 16th, 2020, GoPro decided to share with us the new Hero 9 Black camera. Bigger than the 8, way bigger than the 7. Promises to have all these fun little things in it. Extra lens, extra audio, a vlogging screen. Well, you know, I couldn't pass that up. So I went to Best Buy, looked around, and I said to the sales employee, I says, "Where is it? Where's the Hero 9 Black?" "Oh, we haven't put it out yet." I said, "Well, do you have any in back?" "Let me check." And I got me one. The price tag on it was $440, I believe. Now this one did not come with the extra card, so I bought me an extra SD card. You want to see what's inside? Let's start looking. Now the plastic bag that you see on here came with it this way. Apparently when Best Buy stored it in their back case, it came in a plastic bag to keep the dust and everything off. So since I'm using my phone, let me take the plastic off and we'll get started here. This is the SD card that I bought. It is the 128 gigabyte, but it is not capable of doing the 4K or the 5K. For me, right now, this is okay. This was on sale for $29, so I bought this because I needed it for the camera anyway. You'll notice that when you pull it out of the bag, it has a nice box that comes with it, but it is sealed. So let's break the seal down here. It's kind of like opening up a letter from Amazon or something like that. Now this breaking the seal means that this is now officially my camera. And I'm excited already, trust me. So let's get this out of the box. And nice case that it came with. Nice little zipper. Like I said, I'm using my phone to film this. Let me unzip it and we'll see what's inside. Now, I did not peek, so let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. GoPro, you outdid yourself. I'm excited. We have our instruction book and a suggestion to subscribe to GoPro, which I love GoPro products. They are the best. After lifting up the subscribe to GoPro, it gives you a quick reference card. And here's some stickers on the back and some more quick reference. Want to know about the product? It's all in the book. Okay, and ooh, here's all the goodies. Okay, so we have the charging cable. We have a curve clamp. We have the battery, which by reviewing other videos, I have seen that this battery is a lot bigger than the one you would use in the GoPro 8 765. And here we have our little clamp and our thread screw thing here that we need. And here is our camera, nicely sealed and protected for the glass. Nicely protected. GoPro, you looked out for us. Okay. So, I'm all excited about this. I'm not going to go into the technical and the specs. I do know that when you want to use your camera and you charge your battery and you don't have a battery charger, you put your battery in the camera. See if I can get this cover off. And then you plug it in. There we go. And you're going to have to plug it in with one of those charger things. So here I'm on the side, and we got to pull this little clip down. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Anyway, you'll pull that clip down, pull it up, and here's the battery case right here on the left side of the vlogging log. Here's our fingers to tie into our clip right here. On the other side's the power button and the play and pause button. I am excited. So let's hang on just a second here. Okay, so I pulled this clip down just a little bit and it popped right up. And here we go. This is where our battery is going to go. Now I know you're probably not going to like me for this video, but I'm just doing it to brag about me getting this camera because I am super excited about it. So we can put this in. Yeah, because I looked at the, yep, and then the, so we're going to put it in like this. Push it down. I'm going to take out the card and just go right into that slot there. I have to give credit to SanDisk for their anti-theft thing. It took an act of Congress to get this thing out, so I ended up having to use my scissors. When I pulled it out, I thought, yeah, I can get it out. I'm gonna have to peel this thing. Let's see. Okay, so there's that. Let me go ahead and, since you can see where you can peel it off, let me peel this off and go ahead and show you how to insert it into the camera. Well, if that wasn't like pulling teeth out of the back of a container. Okay, so now let's come back over here to our camera. Now we have, where are we at? Here we go. Here's the writing facing you, and we're going to go ahead and stick it in that slot right there. Okay, and when you put it in, use your fingernail, press it down, and it'll click, and it'll stay in place. When you're done and you want to pull it out, push it down, and it'll pop up. And if you're like me and got fingernails, you can pull it out. Well, hopefully your other hand won't be in the camera, holding a camera. Anyway, so I'm going to push it back in here. Okay, let's close this up. Very simple closure. Oh, thank you, GoPro. Okay, so let's see here. I think something over here. All right, let me see if I can get that one off. Well, if I would have been reading the instructions, I would have found this out. Okay, so here on our cord, we got a USB and we got the C fitting. So the C fitting will go right into there. And then you go ahead and take the USB, you can put it into your computer or you can put it into a wall jack and charge this baby up. And once it's done, go out and have fun with it. So I hope my little unveiling was exciting for you as it was for me. All I gotta say is thank you, GoPro. I've been looking forward to this for a very long time. So come and visit me again. I do crochet, cooking, and home improvement videos. A little bit of who I am. So till next time, bye-bye.